Hey there. You have been multiplying like a champion. But what happens when you need to split a big number into equal groups? That is where long division comes in. Today you will master the steps to divide any number, even really big ones. Quick review. 12 divided by 3 means splitting 12 into 3 equal groups. Each group gets 4. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. We write it with this special bracket. The divisor goes outside, the dividend goes inside, and the answer goes on top. This layout is called long division. Long division follows 4 steps that repeat. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. You can remember them as D, M, S, B. Here is how each step works. Divide means ask, how many times does the divisor fit into the digits you are looking at? Multiply that answer by the divisor and write it underneath. Subtract to find what is left over. Then bring down the next digit and start the cycle again. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Over and over until you are done. Let us try 48 divided by the number 4. We start with the first digit. How many times does the number 4 fit into the digit 4? 1 time. Write 1 on top. Now multiply. 1 times the number 4 equals 4. Write that underneath. Now subtract. We get 0. Bring down the 8. How many times does the number 4 fit into 8? 2 times. Write 2 on top. Multiply. 2 times the number 4 equals 8. Subtract. We get 0 again. The answer is 12. Now let us try 96 divided by 3. How many times does 3 fit into 9? 3 times. Multiply. 3 times 3 equals 9. Subtract 0. Bring down the 6. How many times does 3 fit into 6? 2 times. Multiply, subtract 0. The answer is 32. Sometimes numbers do not divide evenly. That is totally okay. We get a remainder. Let us try 25 divided by the number 4. How many times does the number 4 fit into 25? 6 times, because 6 times the number 4 equals 24. Now subtract. 25 minus 24 equals 1. There is nothing left to bring down. That 1 is left over. We call it the remainder. We write the answer as 6 remainder 1. Here is an important rule. The remainder must always be smaller than the divisor. If it is not, you can fit the divisor in one more time. Ready for a bigger challenge? Let us try 157 divided by 6. Start with the first 2 digits, 15. How many times does 6 fit into 15? 2 times, because 2 times 6 equals 12. Write 2 on top. Subtract. 15 minus 12 equals 3. Now bring down the 7. We have 37. How many times does 6 fit into 37? 6 times, because 6 times 6 equals 36. Write 6 on top. Subtract. 37 minus 36 equals 1. The answer is 26 remainder 1. You just divided a 3-digit number. Before you start long division, here is a speed trick. You can tell if a number divides evenly just by looking at it. If the last digit is even, it divides by 2. Add all the digits together. If that sum divides by 3, the whole number divides by 3. Ends in 0 or 5. Divides by 5. Ends in 0. Divides by 10. These are called divisibility rules. They save you time before you even pick up your pencil. Long division is everywhere. Imagine you have 52 cookies to share equally with 4 friends. 52 divided by 4 is 13. Each friend gets 13 cookies. Or you are packing 75 books into boxes that hold 6 each. 75 divided by 6 is 12 remainder 3. 12 full boxes, with 3 books left over. Amazing work! Today you mastered long division. Remember the 4 steps. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. DMSB. Keep practicing and you will divide any number. Visit origin8learning.com for more. See you next time.